Validating donor information is incredibly important for nonprofits.
Validating donor information really just means making sure that the information you have is still up to date. So, whether that's contact information, address info, even employment data, or family relationship information, making sure that's accurate is really important. That way, your gift or development officers or senior leadership, when they're having those conversations, they know it's accurate, they know it's reliable, and that they can use it and it doesn't lead to an embarrassing situation.
More importantly, you might be able to identify, have they purchased it or sold a new property? Have they started a business or got married? Or even, did have they won some sort of award or are participating as like maybe a diving coach at their kids' swim school? When it comes to validating that information, it allows you to just get a much clearer picture of what's going on in that person's life and ultimately build that relationship with that donor.